I became a real estate agent because I truly felt that I could make the home buying process easier for families. I had bought and sold houses that I could renovate for my own family. I loved home renovation and all of the challenges that it threw at me. I felt I could really help make the buying and selling process a lot easier. I switched gears and got my real estate license when I moved to Washinton from Montana. I quickly started teaching home buyer classes and volunteering with Habitat for Humanity and the Oak Harbor schools. I dearly love Habitat and all of the families that it empowers. From the volunteers working on the job sites to the homeowners that worked hard to get their first houses. I have quickly fell in love with all of the young Navy families that we have on Whidbey Island and the retirees that come here to escape the big cities. I have worked hard to help these young families and teachers in Oak Harbor find houses when it's definitely an uphill battle for some of our first-time home buyers with our West Coast cost of living. So why Whidbey Island? Why not? I can bike, I can kayak, I can hike, and on any given day, I can be up the mountain skiing in less than 2 hours. So call me, and we'll see if now is the right time for you to buy a home.